Okay, I'm going to read the problem first, and then we'll try to work our way through it. What is the circumference of the rim of a basketball hoop with a radius of 9 inches? First, multiply the radius by blank to get the diameter, blank inches. Then multiply the diameter by 3.14, an approximation for pi, to get the circumference of about blank inches. Okay, so to figure this out, first I have to think about the relationship between my radius, which is 9 inches, and my diameter. So if we think about the diameter is the complete length across, and the radius is half the length across. So to figure it out, all I have to do is I have to double it. So I multiply the radius by 2 to get the diameter. And so when I multiply 9 times 2, I get 18 inches. All right? Then I multiply the diameter by 3.14, an approximation for pi, to get a circumference of about blank inches. So it says, so we're using an approximation of pi, meaning that if you multiply it by 3.14, you'll get a different number than if you multiply it by using the pi button. Okay? That's okay. We are allowing you to have that amount of variability in your answers. And it also says about, and so that means it wants an approximation. So if I want to multiply 18 times 3, I say 18 and 18 is 36, and another 18 is 54. So that gets me the 3, and then I multiply the 0.14 times 18. It'll give me maybe, I don't know, about 2-ish. So I'm going to say about 56 inches right here, right? That's just 2 more than 54. Now if the diameter is doubled, what happens to the circumference? Explain. So that means I'm going to take the diameter, which we found is 18, and I'm going to have, so my formula is pi d equals circumference, right? So that means I'll take pi times my new diameter, which is 36. If I multiply that out, I get approximately 110. And the relationship is 56 was my original, this is my new, so my relationship's about double. So if the diameter is doubled, what happens to the circumference? It is also doubled.